Welcome. In this video, I'll show how to allow group notifications on Telegram web using your PC. If you recently noticed that group alerts aren't showing up after the latest update, don't worry, the fix is quick and simple. Just follow these easy steps and you'll have your notifications working again in no time. First, open Telegram web in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and that the connection is stable. Once Telegram loads, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots just above your chat list. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main menu. From the drop-down options, click on Settings. This will open a panel that lets you adjust different parts of your Telegram web experience, things like your privacy, chat layout, and of course, notifications. Select notifications from the list to move to the next step. Inside the notifications menu, you'll see different toggles for messages, mentions, and group chats. Look for the section labeled Groups or Group Notifications. Make sure the switch next to it is turned on. When the toggle is active, it means Telegram web will alert you whenever there's new activity in your group chats, messages, media uploads, mentions, and more. If you had it turned off before, enabling it will instantly bring your group alerts back to normal. You can also customize the sound and preview options if you'd like to get a more personalized notification style. Just explore the available options and choose what fits best for you. And that's it. Your Telegram web is now set to show group notifications on your PC. From now on, you'll stay updated with every group message without having to check manually. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick Telegram tutorials.